Hey guys, what's going on? Keenith Reed here today with day number 3 of my no solid food fast, guys. It's going pretty good. Update now. I've been, on this journey for a while. Some people may ask, okay, how did I start my journey of going plant-based in the first place? Okay, so the first place, what really got me started, my wife introduced me to a documentary called What the Health. What the Health. Okay, that when I saw that changed the game for me, guys. How I ate, because what really triggered it when I went for my physical, I get a yearly physical, get blood work done, and the doctor told me my LDLs were a little elevated, and I was like, how is that possible when I'm eating what they say to eat? Chicken breast, turkey, going to Subway, the healthy stuff. But after watching that, I learned, after watching What the Health, I learned that the saturated fats in these meats clogging arteries, which causes heart attack, strokes and all this kind of stuff. It was in the meat. So what I did, now in the documentary, they talked about fish wasn't good either because of the mercury, but I was like, well, I need a little meat. Okay, so I stopped the turkey, I stopped the beef, the steaks and all that stuff. So I cut all that out and I went plant-based, but I still ate a little fish because I thought I needed to get my proteins there. But understand, guys, the only thing that produces protein on the earth is plants. Wow. Understand that. Education is key, right? Because you look at animals, what do they eat? What do you see cows? What do you see horses? What do you see these gorillas? What do you see them eating? Plants and their huge muscles. Oh my gosh. So that was the aha moment. So I slimmed down. I started at 230. 230 is where I almost got a little scary for me. So I said, I got to get on top of this. So I went plant-based. So I got down to about 205, 210. I was in that range. Okay. So then after that, I said, well, I'm going to cut down, but then the visceral fat. I got a scale that tells me how much visceral fat. I'm obese, believe it or not. Okay. And the visceral fat, I was like, oh, that's the dangerous fat around the organs, and I need to get rid of that. So that's why I'm doing this no solid food fast, where I'm just juicing my fruits and vegetables so I can get rid of the visceral fat. It's some sacrifice, but I'm willing to do it. Okay. So on the scale, you'll see what the reading is right there on the screen. This was what I saw and what really motivated me to really hunker down and get rid of this visceral fat. Okay. So on this journey, my third day, guys, I got to admit the sleep is incredible. I sleep so well. Oh my gosh. I got right here on the screen, you're going to see my readings. I have a sleep number bed, and it tracks it takes in different data points and shows you how well you're sleeping. Guys, as you can see, the 3 days, I've increased my score at 83. And when I wake up, I'm so refreshed. Oh my goodness. It's amazing. Okay. Then comes the mental clarity. The mental clarity that I have. I trade stocks and I invest. And this, just the last few days, my numbers you'll see me here, my stock portfolio, what I did for the day. You see the Forex income, all in the green, guys. Mental clarity. I'm able to think so clearly. It's amazing. It's amazing. But, guys, understand, this is something that I wanted to do. I encourage people to get educated on your health. We want to live longer. We got to do our part, right? So, again, guys, this is like blowing my mind right now. Again, I gave you the book, How Not to Die. Okay. Then you have another resource that I'm going to give you. What the Health. Look at the documentary. Pay attention. Take notes. Take notes. Education is key, man. You see the way they advertise to us. I watch commercials now, all about meats, things that are unhealthy for you. Okay. Because it's big money in it. They don't get big money to share this kind of information. They get paid to prescribe us medications, and we can stop that if we choose to by eating, putting the right things in our body, guys. So this is very crucial for me. Again, I want to live a long, productive life. And, I'm just, I just sharing the message, guys. It's up to you to do what you do when it comes to your health. Choices. Talk about choices. Funny story. I'm going to tell you about that tomorrow in day 4. It's pretty funny of how my thinking back in the day, how was my thinking about health? Crazy, crazy. Okay. So with that, guys, I'm going to let you go. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. What the health? What the hell? Don't forget that. Okay. This is Keenith. I'll see you in day 4 of my journey on my no solid food fast. Here's to you and here's to your health. Let's eat to live. Guys, take care. I'm out here on the lake. Let you guys, you probably hear the wind in the background. Very relaxing. Let's take you out with a little lake action. All right. Talk to you in a bit. Later.